think you need to get away from here.
Wow, that's the biggest blackwood I've ever seen. It's amazing.
There's the underside. You can, there we go.
Ooh. Wow. Should we capture it?
We definitely could. We got somewhere to put it.
Well, I can go get the cage if you want.
Yeah, go get it.
Okay.
We were on our way out to the farm when we saw a poor dumpster kitty scrounging for something to eat. We named him Claude, and it turned out he is feline leukemia positive and FIV positive, which is feline AIDS. So we are working on getting him a transport to Austin, Texas, to a rescue out there that takes feline leukemia and feline AIDS cats. Hopefully we'll have a positive update on him coming up.
He's a big boy.
Is he?
Yeah.
Big unfixed male?
Yeah.
Hey, Bubba. We're gonna get you the help you need. Hey, yeah. That's okay.
Poor guy. Come here. Poor baby.
You can just really tell how battle scarred he is.
See how he's doing his little biscuit there. He's not moving it.
We bought an old four-wheel drive truck for working on the farm. What do you think? Our cats gave it a good inspection to make sure it was mechanically sound. What do you think about it, Severus? We've made some progress. The dirt work for the barn dominium is done.
We planted a row of magnolia trees that we started from seed 2 years ago.
Our temporary irrigation solution is a pump and a big tank on the trailer. We'll scale this up to a more permanent solution for the new garden. We rented this tiller to get the garden started, but we had to take it back since only one side would dig. Then we found this old one listed for cheap that needed a little bit of work. But a little work turned out to be a lot of work, and one of our new neighbors ended up helping us out with his tractor plow.
Good times. Get a little peekaroo of him. Can you see him?
Yeah.
He was peeking out. Wow, he's stunning. Aww. Look at that line.
This guy is Severus Snake. He's a ball python with leopard crystal and ghost genes. He hatched this past summer and came from Arizona. We decided to hold back both a male and female from the Mystic Potion clutch. And of the 14 hatchlings, we are down to just these 2 Mystic Potions and 1 lesser left for sale.
It's time to get plants started, so I made up a seedling mix of various composts, perlite, vermiculite, and peat moss. The first seeds to germinate were leeks, and this is how much progress they make in 8 hours. We expanded our grow rack for this season. At the moment, we've got tomatoes and peppers germinating on heat mats, and we've got kale, cauliflower, and leeks under the lights. Many more vegetables will get started next month.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.